Golden milk. What is golden milk, and why do celebrities drink it today? How does golden milk slow down aging and help improve breathing? Today, in this video we are going to learn about the amazing benefits of golden milk. Golden milk is the newest hobby of world stars and supporters of a long, fulfilling life. So far, not many people know about this wonderful drink, but it will soon be popular because of its long-lasting benefits. In India, the healing properties of turmeric have been known for several millennia. Ayurveda, the traditional teaching of health maintenance, recommends using this spice to treat a wide variety of ailments. In addition, turmeric in India is considered a symbol of prosperity. It is no coincidence that the bride's body is rubbed with turmeric paste before the wedding ceremony. In the past few years, American and European doctors and scientists have started talking about the magical properties of turmeric. They began to include it in various diets and systems of proper nutrition. On its basis, mixtures are prepared that are capable of working miracles with the human body. So far, few people know about golden milk, but many Hollywood stars and other world celebrities have already included this drink in their daily menu. The main ingredients of golden milk are turmeric, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper. 5. Extraordinarily beneficial properties of golden milk. 1. Powerfully strengthens the immune system. Scientists consider turmeric to be the most potent herbal anti-inflammatory agent. Only ginger can compete with it. And in tandem, they are superheroes that dramatically increase the body's resistance to various viruses and bacteria. What's more, this perfect pair is capable of not only preventing and reducing inflammation, but also repairing damaged cells. Some scientists are already talking about the fact that golden milk can become the basis of anti-cancer therapy. 2. Slows down aging. Turmeric, ginger and black pepper have strong antioxidant properties. Together they effectively remove toxins from the body, cleanse the blood, improve skin condition and skin color, and generally slow down age-related changes. 3. Improves breathing. In all senses, cardamom has a beneficial effect on the functioning of the human respiratory system as a whole, and freshens breath in particular. 4. Reduces cholesterol and speeds up metabolism. Cinnamon and black pepper are responsible for lowering blood sugar and bad cholesterol levels. And the whole spice mixture as a whole speeds up the processing of fats and can help with indigestion. Heart and stomach vote for golden milk. 5. Improves mood. Cardamom and cinnamon are the spices of joy. They activate the hormones of happiness, brain activity, and improves memory. Golden milk is a surefire remedy for stress and depression. How to make golden milk. For 1 serving of the magic drink, you will need a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder or grated root, 5 to 6 boxes of cardamom seeds ground in a mortar, a pinch of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, and half a glass of milk. For complete authenticity, it is recommended to take vegetable milk, soy, coconut, walnut, but ordinary cow milk is also suitable. Combine all ingredients in a small saucepan. Bring to a boil, and reduce heat to simmer, gently. Cook for about 10 minutes, until the milk is a uniform golden brown and the exciting aroma of spices spreads through the kitchen. Strain the mixture and drink either right away, or cool and refrigerate for several days. As a rule, golden milk is drunk hot, but some people really like the cold spicy mixture. How much should you drink for maximum effect? The most valuable substance in golden milk is curcumin. A standard teaspoon of ground turmeric contains 200 milliliters of curcumin, and for a real anti-inflammatory effect, experts recommend 500 to 1000 milliliters of this natural medicine daily. Accordingly, 3 cups of golden milk will be enough. This drink is not recommended for pregnant women and patients with hepatitis. Many doctors also advise making tea from turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of powder in 4 glasses of hot water, and the rest to taste. But golden milk is much cooler and tastier. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.